You are listening to an OAA weather radio station, quote 35, serving the New York City. Tornado emergency for the city of New York. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: southern Westchester County in southwestern New York, the independent city of the Bronx in southwestern New York, Queens County in southwestern New York, eastern Nassau County in southwestern New York, effective until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10 o'clock Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated rotation and debris, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazards: deadly tornado. Impacts: the tornado can cause mass casualties. This storm will be at White Plains now, Yonkers and New Rochelle at 10:10 p.m., the Bronx at 10:20 p.m., Queens at 10:30 p.m., and Hempstead at 10:40 p.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, effective until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:30 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was located over West Milford, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards: 90 miles an hour wind gusts and softball-sized hail. Impacts: damages to roofs and siding will occur, injuries to people outdoors will occur. This storm will be at the following locations: West Milford, Oakland, Patterson, Clifton, Mahwah, Ramsey, Paramus, and Hackensack. National Information Center Statement. The following message is transmitted by the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Dangerous storms have been occurring across the United States. These storms have caused casualties across multiple areas in the U.S. These areas include Seattle, Washington, Denver, Colorado, Dallas, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Memphis, Tennessee, Montgomery, Alabama, Atlanta, Georgia, Chicago, Illinois, and New York City, New York. The National Weather Service has been trying to determine the cause for these severe storms. If these storms do not stop, an emergency action notification may be required. Please listen to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, or weather sources for more information on this developing situation. We interrupt normal programming. This is a global emergency. This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or his representative, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming, at the request of the White House, to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WPCH-TV. We will be discontinuing programming. You should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. This station will be discontinuing programming. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use.
Hello, I am a representative of the President of the United States. Due to the current crisis, the President is unable to talk at this time. The following message has been given the authorization to transmit at the request of the President and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA has detected multiple unidentified flying objects. These objects are hostile and will kill anyone in their path. It has been confirmed that the severe thunderstorms were caused by the aliens. At this time, ask that all residents of the United States take shelter immediately. That is all the information we have at this time. Please stay tuned to local media sources for more information.